Hey guys, it's Murph. I'm back again, and I'm just doing a short video on a John Deere grass rake. Now, all these newer John Deere grass rakes are probably similar in this fact. After you use them for a while, a lot of times the brushes will stop spinning, and that's the part that spins up the grass. It's in the back here. If you can see it, there's the brushes. A lot of times you'll be pulling it behind your lawnmower or your four-wheeler or whatever, and those brushes will stop spinning. Well, what happens is, if you take off the whole wheel assembly, which here is it's disassembled right here. I'll show you on the other side quick, where it's put together. It looks like this. It's got your cover, and it covers all that stuff, and you got the wheel on the outside. So you pull off your whole wheel assembly. You basically got a seat clip that holds on the wheel. That's right here, and there's a washer behind that. And then the cover itself has a couple bolts and nuts on it. Get all that off, and in here you have this. Now the wheel gear, which is this, rolls against this gear. Which why they don't make the wheel gear out of metal, so it's obviously this gear is going to wear that one out eventually, but it didn't do it this time. The reason why it stopped spinning is this gear in here that's on the shaft that goes to the brushes wears out and gets a divot in it right there. And what happens is the pin rolling through, there's a pin in there that slides back and forth, won't catch, and then those brushes won't spin anymore. So what you do is you get this gear, you replace it with a new one, and everything should work just fine again. It's pretty simple. The only thing you might want is a snap ring puller to pull the snap ring that holds this gear on. That's the only thing I had a hard time with. So guys, just a quick video on this if you're having a problem with it, and I'll see you in the next one.